Hi friends, click on subscribe button to support me and hit on bell icon so you can get all my latest notifications.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your Abhilash back. Today I'm with another unboxing video of an American tourister. You can call it as a bag or a suitcase. It's not a suitcase actually. It's a traveling bag. So I'm gonna make this unboxing now, and this is how the package looks. Okay, so this is the cost is 8,200. The actual maximum retail price, and this is American Tourister, uh, Kamiliant, and this is the black color. Let me just do the unboxing, guys. And first of all, I like to thank everyone. Because of you guys, I have reached 26,000 plus subscribers. Thank you so much, and thank you so much for your love. And I need your continuous support. And please do support me in uploading more and more videos so I can make good and better video. Please give me a suggestion in the comment section, so it will help me in improving. And if you're still not yet subscribed, please do subscribe my channel and help me in uploading more and more videos, guys. Thank you so much. Let's begin the unboxing. Pause. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and so you can see it has the like a trolley kind of thing also. It's very good, and the material I feel it's strong enough, and the complete is made up of plastic, and it's a toughened plastic. The lever is over here, so you can just pull it up and close it. You have two option, and this is 360-degree rotating option. You can take either way you want. So hope this video was useful to you guys, and please like, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and please give me a feedback at the comment section, and help me in uploading more and more videos, guys. Thank you so much for your love and support.